Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use patent public search step by step. Start by picking concise keywords, then add patent classification codes and inventor or assignee names to focus results. Use filters for publication date and document type to remove noise. Skim titles and abstracts first, then open promising documents to inspect claims and drawings for novelty signals. Take notes on key terms to refine searches and track promising leads. Refine searches with advanced filters to save time and improve relevance. Narrow by publication date ranges to follow technology trends, and separate applications from granted patents using status filters. Check patent families to find related filings in other jurisdictions, and use citation filters to locate foundational or highly cited documents. These steps help reveal prior art and potential freedom to operate issues, while keeping your search results manageable and focused. If this content is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep my desk snacks tidy while researching patents, and they save me from accidental spills on important notes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if you want cleaner workflow breaks. Now let's get back to the video. When you open a patent, begin with the title, abstract, and drawings to grasp the main idea quickly. Move to independent claims to understand the legal scope, and then read dependent claims for added detail. Note limiting terms like specific materials or measurements that narrow protection. Cross-check embodiments and examples against your concept to see overlap. Record claim numbers and phrases that matter for follow-up and comparisons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.